Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create and customize a header for a Microsoft Word document in Power Automate. Before we get started, please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will begin by creating a manually triggered instant cloud flow. We will use this option just so we can have full control over our data when we run our test. To begin, we will use a getFileContent action to grab a Word document from our file system. My demonstration file lives in OneDrive, and it's a 4-page lorem ipsum document. Next, we will add a new action, and we will search for Cloudmersive connectors. From the list of options we see below, we will locate the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector with the green logo. We will then click See More to view the actions list, and from here, we will search for an action called Set the Header in a Word docx document. Before we can configure our request, we'll first need to configure our connection. I'm currently using a free Cloudmersive API key for my connection, which allows up to 800 API calls per month with 0 commitments. You can get one of these by creating a free account on the Cloudmersive website. Once we've created our connection, we'll click Show All to view our parameters. What we have here are 3 primary request parameters for creating custom headers. These parameters are for defining the new content we're placing and customizing in our header, setting the path to an existing header we're adding content to, which we'll ignore in this context, and finally, specifying which page we want to start adding headers on. First things first, we'll start by clicking Add New Item in the Paragraphs parameter. We'll ignore the index, path, and style fields here, and we'll click Add New Item to create a new content run. Here, we can apply various style preferences to our new content, such as bolding and italicizing, and we can then add a new item in the Text Items field to write in the text for our actual header. I'm going to add a header titled Lorem Ipsum Header. And after I finish writing that text, I'm going to make it bold, set the font to size 24, and leave everything else at its default value. Once we've set the header text content to our liking, we'll head down to the parameter titled Sections with Header. In here, we'll click Add New Item just like before, and this time, we'll simply write in the page number we want this action to start applying headers to. If we write 1, like I am, it means we'll apply headers to each page in the document starting with page 1. When we're finished customizing our header, we will add our Word document file bytes in the Input File Bytes parameter. Even though we're making our request with file bytes, what we'll get back in our response is a temporary editing URL that Cloudmersive creates so we can quickly chain additional document edits together in a Power Automate flow. We might have noticed a file URL parameter in the action we just configured, and that's actually there for exactly the chain edit workflow I described. To get our modified file bytes back from the URL when we're done editing, we just need to add one additional action from the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector into our flow. This action is called Finish Editing Document and Download Result, and it literally downloads file bytes from URLs produced by any Cloudmersive document editing action. Now that we've downloaded our file bytes, we can add a Create File action into our flow and generate a new document containing our custom headers. Once we're done with that, we'll save and test our flow. After our flow finishes running, we will find our new document in the folder we specified, and we'll find our custom header applied to that document. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly, and don't forget to check out the rest of our channel for more useful Power Automate walkthroughs.